Introduction. Attracting women, especially those who are already in committed relationships, might seem like a mystery. But the truth is, it often comes down to how you carry yourself. Confidence, self-discipline, and an unshakable mindset are traits that naturally draw people in. Interestingly, Stoicism, an ancient philosophy focused on control, resilience, and inner strength, holds the key to developing these qualities. In this article, we'll explore three powerful Stoic principles that can make you irresistibly magnetic, so much so that even married women might find themselves chasing you. 1. Master emotional control. Mastering emotional control is a crucial skill that enhances personal and professional life by fostering resilience, improving decision-making, and strengthening relationships. Emotional control does not mean suppressing feelings, but rather understanding, managing, and expressing them in a constructive way. One of the first steps in mastering emotional control is self-awareness, which involves recognizing one's emotions and their triggers. By understanding what causes certain emotional reactions, individuals can develop strategies to respond rather than react impulsively. Another important aspect is practicing mindfulness, which helps individuals stay present and regulate their emotions effectively. Deep breathing, meditation, and positive self-talk are effective techniques that promote emotional stability. Additionally, cognitive reframing, which involves changing one's perspective on a situation, can help shift negative emotions into more constructive ones. Emotional control is also closely linked to stress management. Engaging in activities such as exercise, journaling, and spending time with loved ones can provide a healthy outlet for emotions. Furthermore, developing empathy allows individuals to understand the emotions of others, leading to better communication and conflict resolution. Emotional intelligence plays a key role in mastering emotional control, as it enables individuals to navigate social interactions with confidence and composure. Over time, consistently practicing these techniques leads to greater self-discipline and emotional resilience. Mastering emotional control not only improves mental well-being, but also contributes to overall success and fulfillment in life. By cultivating this skill, individuals can make more rational decisions, maintain healthier relationships, and effectively handle life's challenges. 2. Cultivate an aura of detachment. Cultivating an aura of detachment is a powerful mindset that allows individuals to navigate life with greater clarity, resilience, and inner peace. Detachment does not mean indifference or a lack of care. Rather, it is the ability to remain emotionally balanced and composed, regardless of external circumstances. When one practices detachment, they free themselves from the burdens of excessive emotional involvement, reducing stress and allowing for more rational decision-making. In a world filled with constant challenges, setbacks, and unpredictability, mastering detachment enables individuals to respond rather than react, maintaining control over their emotions and actions. This sense of control fosters mental clarity and a heightened awareness of one's surroundings, helping to avoid impulsive decisions driven by fleeting emotions. One of the fundamental aspects of detachment is understanding that external events and other people's actions are beyond our control. By accepting this reality, individuals can shift their focus inward, concentrating on their thoughts, reactions, and overall well-being. This shift in perspective prevents unnecessary suffering and anxiety, as one no longer feels compelled to control or change everything around them. Instead, detachment promotes the practice of observing situations objectively, allowing for a more measured and thoughtful response. This mindset is particularly beneficial in interpersonal relationships, where emotional entanglements often lead to unnecessary conflicts or distress. By maintaining a sense of detachment, individuals can engage with others without becoming overly affected by their opinions, behaviors, or judgments. Moreover, cultivating an aura of detachment fosters a deeper sense of self-awareness and emotional intelligence. When individuals are less consumed by external influences, they gain the ability to reflect on their own desires, values, and aspirations with greater clarity. This self-reflection leads to a stronger sense of purpose and direction, as choices are made based on personal growth rather than external pressures. Detachment also encourages mindfulness, allowing individuals to live in the present moment rather than being consumed by past regrets or future anxieties. As a result, they develop a calm and composed demeanor that radiates confidence and stability, making them more effective leaders, communicators, and decision makers. In essence, cultivating an aura of detachment is a skill that enhances emotional well-being, clarity, and self-mastery. It empowers individuals to navigate life's challenges with wisdom and poise, fostering resilience and inner peace. By practicing detachment, one learns to appreciate experiences without becoming overly attached to outcomes, leading to a more balanced and fulfilling life. 3. Live with purpose and self-discipline. Living with purpose and self-discipline is essential for leading a meaningful and fulfilling life. Purpose gives direction and motivation, helping individuals set meaningful goals and work toward achieving them. When people have a clear sense of purpose, they are more likely to remain committed to their aspirations, even in the face of challenges. Purpose is not just about career success. It extends to personal growth, relationships, and contributions to society. It allows individuals to align their actions with their values, creating a life that feels both rewarding and significant. However, having a purpose alone is not enough. Self-discipline is the driving force that turns vision into reality. Without discipline, even the most inspiring goals can remain unfulfilled dreams. Self-discipline is the ability to control one's impulses, emotions, and behaviors in pursuit of long-term goals. It requires consistency, patience, and perseverance. People who cultivate self-discipline are better at managing their time, resisting distractions, and staying focused on what truly matters. They understand that short-term sacrifices are often necessary for long-term success. For example, an aspiring writer must consistently practice writing, even when motivation wanes. A student preparing for exams must resist the temptation of entertainment to dedicate time to studying. Athletes train relentlessly to achieve peak performance, demonstrating how discipline plays a crucial role in success. Self-discipline is not about restriction or deprivation. It is about making conscious choices that align with one's greater purpose. Balancing purpose and self-discipline leads to a life of fulfillment and achievement. While purpose provides the why, self-discipline provides the how. When individuals integrate these qualities into their daily lives, they develop resilience and a strong sense of self-worth. They become more capable of overcoming setbacks because they understand that every obstacle is a stepping stone toward their greater vision. Additionally, purpose-driven individuals with strong discipline inspire those around them, creating a ripple effect of positive influence. Whether in personal relationships, careers, or community involvement, their dedication serves as a model for others. Living with purpose and self-discipline is not an overnight transformation, but a continuous journey of self-improvement. By staying committed to their purpose and practicing self-discipline daily, individuals can unlock their full potential and create a life of lasting significance.